Hello everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. I have got a bounce in my step today. I'm so excited. I have the new Luxe Legacy collection and I have got the Luxury Cream Foundation from Wayne Goss in shade number 7. So we're going to be using that today. That is what I have on my face right now, and I am just checking. Okay, hang on here. Need the 10 times magnification. Now, you want to know how this applies, if it's good for dry skin, if it's good for oily skin, combination, all that information, right? So stay tuned. I'll be back in just a minute, and we'll apply this foundation. Hello, my gems. It's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll want to stick around and hit that subscribe button. So today I have the Wayne Goss Luxury Cream Foundation that's supposed to be mature skin friendly and eliminate pores. And I have pores, so this is going to be good. We're going to figure this out. I've got two shades. I have the shade number 7 and I have the shade number 9. Now the shade number 9 looks to be a little too light for me, so we're going to go in with shade number 7. We're also going to use a foundation brush, and we're not going to use primer. I prepped my skin, I toned my skin, I went in with a wrinkle serum moisturizer, and now we're going to get right into this. This is a cream foundation. That better do better than that. Okay. It feels very luminous. It looks like it'd be okay with dry skin. Wow, okay. Can definitely still see my pores. And I'm not using primer because I tried this the other day with primer and it kind of made my skin look a little dry, but I also used a sponge. So we're trying it again today. The coverage is there. I think you can pretty much tell. Okay. Let's just see if I were to apply it with a sponge. Around the nose is a big one. Okay. Let's go back with the brush. We're going to do like a buffing motion too with the brush because that also helps eliminate pores, makes them, you know, appear less visible, which is definitely what we want. All right, let's flip over my mirror to the 10 times magnification. There's no cakiness. Oh, actually, I lied. There's a little bit up here. This is what I do. After I put on my foundation, I always go to 10 times magnification to see if it settles and how it looks. And if I don't see any dryness, I will continue. But if I do, I will remove the makeup and put on a moisture mask. Usually this one. This one works really well, the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. At least 15 minutes, wash it off, you're good to go. And that's probably, although this is actually, it's settling down and it doesn't really look dry now. Okay, that was loud. All right, so I am going to go in now. It's definitely dewy, but it doesn't look greasy. which is a good thing. So I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Cosmetics concealer in the shade Light Medium, I think. Pretty sure that's what it is. And we're going to see how this pairs up, because you know I'm all about the pairs. You can grab a great foundation and a sucky setting powder, or you can have a crappy foundation and a good setting powder. It just depends. We're going to go in with a foundation brush, one that looks like this, just to get that concealer in before it dries. This concealer does dry fast. And I do have stained eyes a little bit here from yesterday's look. Okay, let's see if this combination works well. Okay, so setting on top of it, I see like the concealer settling into my pores a little bit. I did not see that with the foundation, but I see that with the concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer, apply some powder, and then come back and let you guys know how this is wearing. Go ahead. I'm going to go in with the One Size setting powder. I noticed this worked well with Charlotte Tilbury's new foundation. So we want a loose brush. This Morphe one will do it. We're going to press it into the skin. Take a look with our 10 times magnification mirror. I only see a tiny bit of dryness right here, and that might be because I didn't moisturize well enough. Okay, I will see you guys real soon with an up. Okay, it has been a few hours since I have put on the Wayne Goss shade number 7 Luxury Cream Foundation, and as you can see, I'm scrambling looking for it. Here it is here. Let me just show you guys what she looks like. Now, initially I thought, well, this is small, there's not much in here. But honestly, I dug into this with my brush today to use it. This is the second time I'm using it. And after I did this, I went on to do my makeup and I used Jaclyn's Luxe Legacy collection, and I paired this up with her concealer in light medium, the One Size setting powder, and we're taking a look at it now, hours later. And throughout the day, I went over to the window, I turned on my, I flipped my mirror to that 10 times magnification, and I was a little concerned because I have combination skin and cakiness. She tries to become a habit on me, okay? And today I did not use my hydration cream mask like I usually do. This is like my one step all, guess what, you know, I need this. This is what I need to use in order for my skin to be moisturized and my foundation to come out looking good. And I did not use her today. I actually went in with the Vibrant C12 Wrinkle Serum. Who makes this? I don't know. I guess it's Vibrant. I have no idea. This is the one I've been using though. I used that, and then I was like, okay, wait a minute. It started to feel like it was settling right here and getting a little bit dry, and I was like, oh no, right? So now we're looking pretty flawless, and there's a little tiny bit of dryness, but I'm pretty sure it's because I really didn't moisturize there really good. This foundation paired up with, I mean, like, if I'm liking it at 10 times magnification, you turn that baby over and you're like, wow. I was afraid. It's just looks fresh. It doesn't look real dewy. And it's definitely not super matte, which is good because that can cause flakiness. It can be an issue. It doesn't wear well. I've been wearing this for hours now. And I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Wayne, you did an excellent job. I'm pretty sure he'll never watch this, but I know what he's going to want to know, what his people think. And I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And with me, I'm a big one. Like, with combinations, like what setting powder works with what foundation, because sometimes they're based differently. You've got silicone based primers, you've got water based this, that, and things don't tend to work very well, but the combination I used today worked excellent. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I think this is mature skin friendly. Okay guys, so I'm back and I have been doing some research for you. I've had this foundation on for hours. It has not moved, budged, flaked, or made my skin look awful in any way. Initially, I was worried this was going to get dry and cakey. Now, if you remember, I said that moisturization, I didn't put as much right here, but it's really not even dry. Like I'm going to try to get as close as possible. My skin, not dry. There's no oxidation, nothing pulling away. I did not use primer. I just want you to know that. And with this foundation, you really don't need it. I do want to try a stippling effect to get it to make my pores look even less, but it did help with that. So I'm super impressed. Oh, my hair. Now, the rest of your makeup you want to last all day, but the foundation is the most important part. And this foundation, it's not even, it was like $30-something. I'll put that on the screen for you. But I have to say, I recommend it. I recommend it. Can't believe it. I'm kind of shocked. So that initial settling in really wasn't, what's the word I'm looking for? I thought it was going to be flaky and dry and come off, but it didn't. And I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. So now I need your thoughts, your comments, your questions down in the comments section, and I want to take the time to say thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I love getting to know you guys, and I'm here because I want to share with you, I want to review things with you, I want to share any tips that I have. So my daughter's in the other room with her nurse, but can you hear her? Sorry, sometimes it's a little loud. I hope you guys don't mind. Anyhow, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that button. I'd love to get to know you. I'll see you guys real soon in another video.